Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn how to record and manage manufacturing of finished goods in TallyPrime. As we know, manufacturing is a process of converting, assembling, processing, or anything that is done to raw materials to produce finished goods. It can be as simple as assembling few components to complex manufacturing involving several components and processes. No matter how simple or complex it is, TallyPrime makes it easy to record and manage manufacturing of goods. Let's start with a business scenario. Max Electronics assembles desktop computers using various computer components. To make one assembled standard desktop, Max Electronics uses the following components: Asus 16.6-inch monitor, Dell wired keyboard, Dell optical mouse wired, Asus motherboard, AMD Ryzen processor, Seagate hard disk 1 TB, Intex USB cabinet. In TallyPrime, the manufacture of finished goods is recorded using Manufacturing Journal Voucher. To record manufacturing vouchers, press V for vouchers, F10 for other vouchers, and select Stock Journal. Press Ctrl plus H for change mode, select Use for Manufacturing Journal. In Name of Product, select the finished goods. I'm selecting Assembled Standard Desktop. Select the godown in which you want to store the finished goods. Mention the quantity of finished goods that you are producing. Under Components, you need to select all the components or raw materials required to produce the finished goods. In Name of Item, I'm selecting Asus 16.6-inch monitor. Select Godown from which the components or raw materials are consumed. Mention the quantity of components that are required to produce the finished goods. Here I am mentioning 3 quantity of Asus 16.6-inch monitor required to produce 3 assembled standard desktop. Rate will be pre-filled based on the costing method. However, you are free to change as required. Similarly, I'm selecting other components that are required to produce the finished goods. Mention the details of co-products or byproducts or scrap that are produced in the process of manufacturing the finished goods. I'm selecting End of List as there are no co-products or byproducts or scrap. Next, you can add all the additional cost related to the manufacturing of finished goods. I'm selecting Assembly Charges as an additional cost at 10% of the component cost. You can also mention the additional cost manually under the amount filled. Now, you can see the total effective cost, including additional charges to produce given quantity of finished goods. Also, the effective cost per quantity of finished goods. Enter to mention the narration if any. Enter and accept the voucher. Now, let's view the stock summary report to see the closing balance of finished goods. Press Alt plus G for Go To, type Stock, select Stock Summary. Here you can see the quantity of finished goods that we recorded. The process we learned in this session is suitable for manufacturing of products which do not have a standard or predefined list of raw materials to produce the finished goods or finished goods requiring to follow process manufacturing method. If you follow a discrete manufacturing method or have a predefined list of components to manufacture finished products, watch the next video to know how you can automate using Bill of Material, popularly known as BOM. Here is a quick recap of things we learned. Recording manufacturing journal with finished goods and components. Adding additional cost in manufacturing journal. Stock summary report to view the finished goods manufactured.